Hallo Klasse, guten Tag. So, today we're going to do a couple things. We're going to review our school subjects. We're going to also review the topics that we did yesterday. The topics are basically super basic sentence structure. Okay, so pay attention. This hopefully will be a very short video, but there will be a lot of questions. So, just wanted to give you a heads up. So, the first one thing that we're going to be doing is remembering what were all of these subjects. Okay, now, first one. I'm going to circle the item and you're going to pick from the word list on the left which one it is. So pay attention to which subject that I circle and go ahead and write down the word on the left hand side. Okay, Nummer 1. Okay. Nummer 2. Okay. Nummer 3. Okay. Nummer 4. Nummer 5. Nummer 6. All right. So now I want you to go ahead and go to the next area. Just as a review for today's assignment, we remember that the simple sentence structure is that the verb is always in the second parking space. That's super important because we need to know that. Habe, ich habe Deutsch means I have German. It's just kind of like in English in a lot of ways, but we're going to change it just a little bit today, so pay attention. Okay, so now for this one, we're going to be practicing using these words here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to be creating sentences. Yes, you are going to write a sentence. So let's see how we would do this. I'll do number 1 with you. So for number 1, you're going to write hat. What symbol is that? Das ist Musik. Okay, hat Musik. So you're going to do that. You check up here, hat Musik. Verstanden? Do you understand? All right. So now what I'm going to do, go ahead and do number 1. I'll erase that for you. Go ahead and do number 1. Go ahead and do number 2. So we did 1, go to 2. Okay. Now do number 3. Now do number 4. Now do number 5. Now do number 6. All right. Were you able to do it? I hope so. I have faith in you. Now for this particular activity, we're going to be practicing using that verb in the second position. That's super important. Now, if you look at the example I have over in the top, up there, or wherever it is I'm pointing, I'm going to move the camera here in a second. So we have erstens, hat, Musik. What I want you to do is take the sentences that we just did earlier, and we're going to change them just a little bit. So for this one, hat Musik, we're going to change that to erstens hat Musik. Now, because it's kind of hard to represent this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you use any of the words up here as your time reference. Okay, first, second, third, right? Just as long as you use it and get practice using that, and you get this right, because that's very important. And the word order here at the end as well. You want to know that. So you follow the model. Just like erstens hat Musik. Okay? You're going to look at number 1, and you can use erstens hat Musik. You could say zweitens hat Musik. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and do the rest of those. So I'm going to leave these examples up for you, and that's what you're going to do. Got it? I hope so. If you need any help, please feel free to raise your hand. Be like, Herr Dab, what in the world am I doing here? And I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, so we start out. Nummer eins. Okay, Nummer zwei. Dann Nummer drei. Then Nummer vier. Then Nummer fünf. Then Nummer sechs. Okay, all right. Did you get it? I hope so. If you have any questions about that, raise your hand. You know I'm here. I'm ready to help you out, and we can go over that. That's not a problem. Okay, now here we go. This particular one is going to be pretty easy. We've kind of been working on this the whole time. What I'm going to have you do is match them. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. I've got some questions here in the Ed puzzle, and those questions are going to correspond with what you see here on the screen. So we got erstens, zweitens, drittens, viertens, letztlich. Okay, great work. All right, and this one here, we're going to do a review of this as well. Oh boy, there's a lot of cool stuff here. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the items, and you're going to pick from the list on the left which one those are. So, Nummer eins, Nummer zwei, Nummer drei, Nummer vier, Nummer fünf und Nummer sechs. All right, excellent work, guys. Do you feel I got it? I hope so. Have a great day and keep on doing the amazing stuff you're doing. I'm proud of you and all the good work you do.